come everywhere to play the $10 million Blockbuster video game. Because the more you play, the more you can win. Win instantly or collect game pieces to win. Trips to the new Universal Studios Florida where you can see the stars and ride the movies. With transportation by U.S. Air, America's most frequent flyer. Or up to $100,000 in cash. Millions of prizes in the $10 million Blockbuster video game. Drop in and play. Blockbuster Video. Wow, what a difference.
And don't forget to make it a Blockbuster night. Hey everyone, I just ordered 2 t-shirts from the very last Blockbuster video in Bend, Oregon, and I'm about to unbox them. Let's get started. Let me pull these out real quick since I just cut the package open. Oh my gosh, how beautiful are these shirts. I ordered one in blue, let's put this over here, and one in gold. And it's the very last Blockbuster video on the planet. In Bend, Oregon, they'll send you a sticker along with your t-shirts. Let's see if we can untape this real quick. They come packaged. Let's pull the yellow one out first, and then we'll look at the blue one. I've never been to the last Blockbuster video on the planet, but oh my gosh, I hope I go one day, and if I do, I'm going to be wearing these t-shirts. They have the movie ticket style design on the front with a very fine screen printed Blockbuster. And on the back, they come nicely folded, so on the back, I saw online that this is a really cool design on the back. It says, the last Blockbuster on the, there it is, planet in Bend, Oregon. How about that? Isn't that beautiful? That is so, so beautiful. I absolutely love this t-shirt. And I love supporting small business. We're going to get the blue one out in just a second and take a look at it. But these beautiful shirts are awesome. This is the front of it. How about that? With the beautiful Blockbuster movie ticket design, nicely screen printed. I absolutely love it. They come in blue and gold, and I will link the place to order it in the comment section below. It's the very last Blockbuster video in Bend, Oregon, and how about that? What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shirt. I love the yellow and I love the blue. Let's take the blue out and look at it now. This is the beautiful blue t-shirt, and oh my gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. They'll even send you a little card, a little souvenir keeper, kind of like a movie ticket card. Look at that, it's got little edges off of it. You can actually feel it. It's a little sticker or a little magnet. I think it's a sticker. And it says, thank you for your support, Bend Blockbuster team. Anytime you purchase anything or buy a movie from them, you're supporting this very last Blockbuster. And if you're a huge Blockbuster video fan, please go support them, because I miss going to Blockbuster video on Friday and Saturday night. So I remember, and I bought these Blockbuster video t-shirts, and they make great gifts. They will thank you tremendously for your support. And like I said before, I will leave a description on where to find the website in the comment section below. This is the front of the blue shirt. And these are made in Oregon, solely made in Oregon, by a local Oregonian there in Bend, Oregon. The Bend Blockbuster in Bend, Oregon. Let me show you the back. The back of the blue shirt says, the last Blockbuster on the, and then there's the little symbol, planet in Bend, Oregon. This is the very last freestanding Blockbuster video that exists anywhere on the planet. And I supported the Blockbuster video, and I made it a Blockbuster night. Because I truly miss going to Blockbuster Video. Eventually, I will get up there to Blockbuster Video and visit the Bend, Oregon store. And I will rent me a movie or a video, or I will get me another t-shirt. But I'm going to make sure I wear these t-shirts up there to Bend, Oregon. I'm going to make it a Blockbuster night. Because I absolutely love these handmade t-shirts of the last Blockbuster on the planet. Now let me show them to you side by side. These are the t-shirts I purchased from the very last Blockbuster video on the planet. They also have hoodies, they have sunglasses, hats, keychains. They even have membership cards you can purchase if you want to still become a Blockbuster member and be able to rent videos. This is a perfect gift idea. It's an amazing place to shop, whether you're there or anywhere in the world. It's beautiful. I love Blockbuster Video. I wish they would bring all of the stores back. And I absolutely love my t-shirts. I think they're beautiful. I think they're amazing. I'm going to wear it around, and I'm going to tell everyone where I got it. This is the front of the t-shirt. It has the beautiful movie tickets screen printed on the front. They come in blue and gold. And probably what I'll get next is either a keychain or a membership card. But these are absolutely amazing and beautiful t-shirts. I love them. I'll probably be purchasing more, including some movies and some gift items. They even have face masks. If you like face masks, they have one that looks like popcorn. And it's amazing. I love it. This is the website to the very last Blockbuster video in Bend, Oregon. Go to bendblockbuster.com. You can check for recent announcements, new releases. Keep this Blockbuster going, because in the age of Netflix and digital streaming platforms, it's harder to support just going into a Blockbuster video anywhere. There is the popcorn face mask. They also have tote bags. They have long sleeve Blockbuster t-shirts for $22. They have hats, Blockbuster Video hats, and accessories. Actually, let me turn it this way. There's their hoodie. They have all kinds of product if you're looking for a Blockbuster t-shirt or a Blockbuster tote bag. They have it here at Bend, Oregon. They even have the little beanies. Aren't those cute? And the hoodie. And, of course, you can get you a Blockbuster Video hat. They even have all kinds of accessories. They have the sunglasses. And, you know, they have videos, movie rentals, movie purchase. So, go on to bendblockbuster.com and support the very last Blockbuster video on the planet. Because you're going to love going to Blockbuster Video. And I love old nostalgia from the 80s and 90s. And she's a small business, so please go support this small business in Bend, Oregon. Make it a Blockbuster night. Isn't that an awesome shirt? Blockbuster and chill. And that's a t-shirt. They even have those that say, "Be kind, rewind" t-shirt. They have all sorts of gift items, goodies. If you're a fan of Blockbuster, there's the keychain. There's the membership card you can purchase. Blockbuster party game. More party games. They have little silly pints. They have bumper stickers. Sunglasses. They even have sweatpants. And they've the t-shirts and the magnets. I may get a magnet next. And they have face masks. I know they had 2 kinds of face masks also. The Last Blockbuster magnet, that's pretty neat. The movie, The Last Blockbuster, the movie, which is a neat movie. And the movie poster of The Last Blockbuster. They even have it on DVD and Blu-ray. There's a postcard too. You can pick one up for $2. Long sleeve t-shirt. Silly pint shot glass. They have all kinds of interesting stuff. Go to www.binblockbuster.com. Under shop, they have new releases coming out. Go take a look at their website. I'm going to link it in the description below. Go get you a t-shirt. Support a small business. That's probably going to be my favorite video. From 9,000 locations, Blockbuster video, down to just one. The last Blockbuster video will surely warm your heart. Make it a Blockbuster night. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. www.binblockbuster.com. And there's the popcorn face mask. How cool is that? Now a word from Blockbuster Video themselves. Make it a Blockbuster night.
If you're still trying to figure out what to watch tonight, we've got a couple of great suggestions. Tonight, make it a Blockbuster night.
What is it, oven cleaning night? I'm really glad we can all get together like this. What? I said it's great. We can all get...
From comedy to romance, Blockbuster has 9,000 ways to enjoy the nightlife right at home.
Those who don't know what they're missing.
So instead of going out, make it a Blockbuster night.
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a Blockbuster night.